Hi everyone, excuse me, it's Bobbie, and this is my newest album. I told you I'd be back with you as soon as I could. I don't work these things very fast, but it might take me a little bit longer than some people, but I really like the way this turned out. It's super. This I'm calling for the working man. This is for my grandson. He's in construction and he likes to take pictures of his job sites, whether he takes them during the process or when they're completed or whatever. Whether they're building something new or doing a reno, he likes to take pictures, and he wanted an album to save them in. So I just printed this off the internet, and I used a paper pad that I've had around forever. Let me see. It's by a company called Momenta, and this may be something I got years ago at Walmart. I'm not really sure where I got it, but it's all really dark, masculine colors, and it has a lot of gears and newsprint and that type of thing in it. There's one with all the gears. It's got really pretty papers in it, so that's what I used. I'm trying to use up some of the stuff I already had. So anyway, this is the front of his album, and I used the burgundy on it, and then I went over it with Mod Podge, and it kind of gave it a leather bound book look. If you can see how it's kind of got a shiny gloss to it. And the spine, I antiqued all of them with Tim Holtz black soot, and that's the back. And then I hid the hinge, or not the hinge, but the fastener on the inside, so it is the same. And then this is the pages. There are 12 pages, and each one is a pocket. There's only two styles. This one, there's 6 by 9 is the book. The album is 6 by 9 is what I should say. The pocket page, this one is not finished yet. This is just one that's in progress, and I'm going to do a video later on the tags so that you can see how I made all the tags. On this one, I just simply folded the corner back and used some little gears that were sent to me in a Christmas gift to hold the flap down. And then the opposite side is just a pocket at the bottom, and this is a 9 inch by 6, and it's scored at 3 from the bottom, or I used the whole 12-inch strip. Let me reword that and make it clear. This is, if you take your 12 by 12 sheet of paper and cut it lengthways so that you have a 6 by 12, then you'll score this either at 3 from the short end or 9 from the long end. It doesn't make any difference. Just make sure which way you want your paper to go if you have a directional print. Then once you score this, you just fold it up, round your corners, and glue it down, and you've got a pocket. So these are two of the tags that I'm working on. I just love the way they're turning out. Here's two more. I don't know if I've got a couple more in here. This one is all in greens and blacks. This one is golds. I think that might be all I've got made so far. Yeah. This is the only one that's completely done. Let me close the book here. Get it out of the way. And I do have a magnet in there to hold that closed. This is the only one that's completely done. I used some old, I guess it's twine. It was from Stampin' Up. It's probably retired by now. But I put a little Mod Podge on the end of them to keep them from fraying. And then I printed a journaling tag for the back for him, so it just says job site and the date, and then he can fill in whatever he was doing on that job. And then I used this little We Are Memory Keepers punch to punch out the reinforcements on these. And I like it. It's not hard to punch. The only thing is you can't turn it over like you do other punches and see where your paper is, and make, like if you had a heart or a flower that you wanted to be right in the center of it, you couldn't tell where it was. That's the only thing, and I don't know why they made this solid on the bottom, but other than that, it's okay, and everything falls out the side. So that is my album for today. I'm really happy with it. He absolutely loves it. So I will do a video in the next couple days, and we'll make some of these tags together so that you can see the process I went through. And I'll put a list of supplies you'll need so that if you want to make them as we go along you can, or just watch the video and then go back and make yours afterwards. But it's a lot of fun to make. I'm really having a good time with it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in just 2 or 3 days and we'll make some tags. Bye.